Good morning students. Today I discuss about preparation applications of cyanoacetic ester and tautomerism. So first we see cyanoacetic ester. So the common name of cyanoacetic ester is ethyl cyanoacetate. So the formula is CnCH2COO C2H5. Preparation by heating potassium cyanide with chloroacetic ester. So KCl is removed and cyanoacetic ester is formed as the product. So synthetic applications. So first one is synthesis of monocarboxylic acid. So propionic acid. So the propionic acid is prepared from cyanosodio-acetic ester. It reacts with methyl iodide. The sodium is replaced by methyl group and the sodium is removed as sodium iodide. So what is the product? CnCHCl3COO-C2H5. It undergoes hydrolysis. During hydrolysis, cyanide is converts to acid and also ester split into acid and ethanol. So you get dicarboxylic acid. This dicarboxylic acid is heated. The 1 mole of CO2 is removed from dicarboxylic acid and you get monocarboxylic acid. Here propionic acid is formed as the product. So next isobutyric acid. Here disodio-cyanoacetic ester taken as the reactant. It reacts with 2 moles of methyl iodide because here 2 sodium atoms is there. So the 2 sodium atoms are replaced by 2 methyl group and it undergoes hydrolysis and followed by heating to form isobutyric acid. So next synthesis of dicarboxylic acid. So here 2 reactants are used. So one is cyanosodio-acetic ester, another one is chloroacetic ester. So both are involved in the reaction. So the sodium chloride is removed and carbon-carbon bond is formed here. So CHCnCOO-C2H5, CH2COO-C2H5. So it undergoes hydrolysis. So 2 ester molecules there. So both are undergoes hydrolysis to form acid and ethanol and the cyanide group is undergoes hydrolysis. It converts to acid. So tricarboxylic acid is formed. After that it is heated. 1 mole of CO2 is removed to get succinic acid. Next synthesis of keto acid. So acetyl chloride is reacts with sodio-cyanoacetic ester. Here sodium chloride is removed. So the acetyl part is added to aceto group is added to this ester group. So you get CH3CO, CnCOO, C2H5. So this is the as usual reaction. It undergoes hydrolysis followed by heating to get acetoacetic acid. Here for keto group, CO group and acid group is there. So this is the keto acid. So here acetoacetic acid formed as the product. So synthesis of polycyclic compound. This is the Hope reaction. So cyclohexanone reacts with the cyanoacetoacetic ester. In the presence of ammonium acetate. So 1 mole of water is removed. So what is the product? Cyclohexane ring, double bond CCnCOO-C2H5. Here 2 types of hydrolysis is there. One is a base hydrolysis. We use potassium hydroxide and acid hydrolysis is there. So we use HCl. So during hydrolysis, ester group is converts to acid and cyanide group is converts to acid. So this is heated, decarboxylation is occur. So after the decarboxylation to get cyclohexane propionic acid. This is the alicyclic compound. So next is tautomerism. So what is tautomerism? Two structural isomers of the same compound are readily interconvertible and exist in dynamic equilibrium. They are called as tautomers. In Greek, tauto means same, meros means parts. So this phenomena, this process is known as tautomerism. So in tautomerism, the difference is the relative position of their atoms or groups. So for example, acetone. So this is a keto form. So in acetone, the one of the carbon hydrogen bond is shifted to carbon to form carbon double bond, and this carbonyl double bond, that is C double bond O, is shifted towards the oxygen atom. So oxygen gets negative charge. So this proton is added to oxygen. So this is converts to enol form. So what is dynamic equilibrium? So dynamic equilibrium means the reactant converts to product and the product is converts to reactant. So this is a reversible process. So both the process are done in the reaction. So keto form is converts to enol form, at the same time enol is changes to keto form. So this is the dynamic equilibrium. So in tautomerism, just atom or group is changes to one position to other position. So from one atom to other atom. So this is the tautomerism. So next, types of tautomerism. So what is tautomerism? The tautomeric changes results from the shifting of an atom or a group from one position to the another. So this tautomerism depends upon the tautomerism is classified into two types. This classification is depends upon the migrating group. So one is prototropy, another one is anisontropy. So prototropy means migrating atom is proton. In anisontropy means migrating group is anion. So for example, acetoacetic ester. So CH3CO, CH2, COO, C2H5, that is a keto form, which is converts to enol form, CH3COH double bond CH, COO, C2H5. Here one proton from active methylene group, that is CH2 unit, is shifted to carbonyl oxygen, so that keto form is converts to enol form. Here proton is migrated, so this is a prototropy. But in the case of anisontropy, you take a crotyl chloride, CH3CH double bond CH, CH2Cl. So this is in equilibrium. So carbon double bond is shifted to another carbon bond. At the same time Cl minus is removed. So this Cl minus is attached to CH. So you get CH3CHCl, CH double bond CH2, you get 3-chlorobutene. So this prototropy is further classified into two types, dyad system and a triad system. So what is dyad system? So proton shift from atom to its adjacent atom. So first position to second position. So that is a 1-2 shift. So for example, cyanide, isocyanide tautomerism is a dyad system. cyanide is converts to isocyanate. Here hydrogen is shift from carbon to nitrogen. So this is the one to shift. So what is triad system? Proton shift from an atom to the third atom. So for example, keto-enol system. Here you take CH, C double bond O, you put the number. So you given the number 1 to CH, 2 number 2 to carbon, you given the number 3 to oxygen atom. So here CH, that is first carbon. So the proton from first carbon is shifted to oxygen. So the position of oxygen is 3. So this is the 1-3 shift. Okay. So the atom shift from first atom to third atom. So this is the triad system, and also it is a 1-3 shift. So like keto-enol system, so other system are nitro-azynitro system, nitroso-oxime system, amido-imidazole system. These 4 systems are triad system. So let's see keto-enol tautomerism. So the carbonyl compounds having alpha hydrogen exist in 2 forms, that is keto form and enol form. So both the keto and enol forms are in dynamic equilibrium, and the compound is said to be keto-enol tautomerism. In this tautomerism, the proton migrate from alpha carbon to the carbonyl oxygen. So this is the reaction, C double bond O CH, keto form. So I show the alpha carbon. So alpha carbon having hydrogen atom. So the carbon hydrogen bond is shifted between carbon carbon. So carbon carbon double bond is formed. At the same time, carbon oxygen bond is shifted towards oxygen atom. It gets negative charge. So the proton is added to this O minus. So you get enol. So for example, acetoacetic ester, this is a keto form. So 90% of keto form. So acetoacetic ester exists in keto form. So little 10% is possible for enol form. So this is the reaction. So next reaction due to keto form. So acetoacetic ester reacts with the hydroxylamine to form oxime. Here I show the reaction. So I put the carbonyl group at the top of the hydroxylamine. So NH2OH reacts with the C double bond O. So water is removed. So what is the product? C double bond NOH. So the other part is no changed. So CH3C double bond NOH CH2 COO C2H5. So oxime is formed. Next it reacts with the phenyl hydrazine. So hydrogen from NH2 and oxygen from carbonyl group. So both are combined together. So water is removed. This is the condensation reaction. So what is the product? CH3C double bond NH6H5. This is phenyl hydrazone. So this is the reaction of keto form. So the reaction due to enol form. So the enol form of acetoacetic ester reacts with the sodium. So hydrogen is liberated. So alcohol is treated with metal. So hydrogen is removed, because in OH hydrogen is replaced by sodium, and this hydrogen is removed as a hydrogen gas. So next it reacts with the bromine. This is a test for unsaturation. So it is simple addition reaction. So bromine is added to carbon carbon double bond. You get dibromo, enol form of dibromo acetoacetic ester. So this is colorless. So this is the confirmatory reaction of unsaturated compound. So next mechanism of tautomerism. So two types of tautomeric change is possible. One is acid catalyzed, another one is a base catalyzed. So acid catalyzed means the reaction is carried out in the presence of acid. So acetoacetic ester is treated with H3O plus, that is high H3O plus. So in the first step, that oxygen is protonated. So oxygen has lone pair of electron. So one of the lone pair of electron make a bond with hydrogen atoms, that is proton. So you get C double bond OH plus water. This is further reacts with water. So what is the reaction? Proton shift. So the proton from CH2 carbon make a carbon double bond, and carbon oxygen bond shifted towards the oxygen atom. So the positive charge of oxygen is neutralized. So the removal of proton and water combines together to form H3O+. Here catalyst is regenerated. So next, base catalyst tautomeric change. So keto form of acetoacetic ester in the presence of base. What is the role of base? It abstract hydrogen atom. So this OH minus take hydrogen, that is proton from CH2. So what is the product? CH3C double bond CH2H5, and carbonyl oxygen gets negative charge, so it is converts to CO minus. So the removal proton and base, that is OH minus, combines together to form water. In the next step, the formed anion reacts with water. So the water donates proton to O minus. So the O minus converts to OH, and again that OH minus, this base catalyst is regenerated. So in both these reactions, keto form is converts to enol form in the presence of acid or base as the catalyst. Thank you.